everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a twofer. That's right, you get pork chops and a side of potatoes all in one pan. It's a one-pan pork chop and potatoes meal. My mom's going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below, but let me just say, it was delicious smelling, so I'm sure it was delicious tasting, but they would not let me have it because it has things I'm not allowed to have in it. How rude. But anyway, just letting you know, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, everybody, we are making a one-pan meal. This is going to be pork chops and potatoes. So we've got our potatoes ready to go in the oven. It's almost there, 425. We need it on 425. Oh, it is there. Okay. So you're gonna put your potatoes on half the pan, cut side down. You're gonna cut baby potatoes in half. After you mix it in the spice mixture, you're gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 425. Roast those. In the meantime, let me show you what's in that. So we have a teaspoon of smoked ground, or teaspoon and a half of smoked paprika. We have tablespoon of onion powder, a couple of tablespoons actually, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a couple tablespoons, or a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to link the recipe below so you'll know exactly what it is. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper. That is the spice mixture. So we mixed it up and we used half of that on the potatoes along with a tablespoon of olive oil. Now we're going to do 4 pork chops bone in. You're gonna massage the olive oil into them while the potatoes are cooking, and then you're gonna put the other half of the spice mixture on them. So that's what we're gonna do, and then when the potatoes come out, we're gonna put these on the tray. It's gonna be another 20 to 25 minutes. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. We took out the potatoes. They're sizzling. We have marinated our pork chops bone in olive oil. And now we are going to put them on the tray, on the other side of the tray, from the potatoes, with our spice mixture on it. These are bone-in 4 pork chops. And we're gonna put them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, again, still at 425. Okay, guys. After 25 minutes, this is how they look. They are delicious. Just so you know, that's all gone. This is all that's left. But they are delicious. And this was so easy and all in one pan. You got your side dish and your meat. So I highly recommend it. Hope you guys give it a try. Happy Monday. And by the way, you want your pork chops to be at 145. So we used a meat thermometer to make sure they were done. So happy Monday. Bye.